Hey everyone, and welcome back to another video. And in this video, I'm going to be going over how to get a boost start in Mario Kart World. So this is going to be particularly useful for the individuals. Let's say that you want to go ahead and get that countdown start that you see other drivers getting. How do you actually go ahead and get that start? So what you're going to do is that you want to go ahead and click on manual and click on techniques. And so what it's actually called is a rocket start. So what you essentially want to do is that during the countdown at the start of a race, you want to press and hold A, which is this button here, when the number 2 appears on screen. So if you can see here, press the A, and then after that, you should be able to get a boost start when the race starts. But that right there, guys, is the best and easiest way that I know of to actually go ahead and get a boost start at the start of races in Mario Kart World. If you guys know of a better or easier way to actually do this, let me know in the comments down below. And if you want to go ahead and learn other moves in Mario Kart World, all you've got to do is click on the manual, click on techniques, and then here you have it. These are all the different techniques that you can do in Mario Kart World. Thanks so much for watching, everyone, and I'll see you guys all in the next video.